I suppose the majority of Catholics become so when they're young, when they're brought by their parents for baptism. And there, when baptism is, we are told in the New Testament, is the means by which we become part of the Church. But growing up as a child in the Church, there is then the processes of becoming more aware of what's going on and deciding for yourself you're continuing. One of the processes is when we come to First Communion, which is nowadays usually around about the age of 7 or 8. First Communion is quite an occasion. Then subsequently, probably around about 12, 13, 14 or maybe older, there comes confirmation, which is really much more adult acceptance of the faith and a much deeper instruction about what we mean when we believe as Christians and as Catholics about God, about Christ, about the Church and so on, all the rest. And then that is a confirmation. The bishop will come, usually, normally, and there is the service of laying on of hands and anointing with oil and becoming a fully committed member of the Catholic Church.